A tragic discovery has shocked the Alexandra community after the body of a woman who had been reported missing was found hidden beneath a bed inside a room on the on 18th Avenue on Monday evening. The deceased has been identified as Mulatela Serrata. According to initial reports, police responded to the scene after information led them to the property where they made the heartbreaking discovery. Following the incident, detectives launched a murder investigation as part of the ongoing probe. The victim's boyfriend was taken in for questioning to assist investigation in establishing exactly what happened in the hours leading up to her death. As investigation continue, the incident has sent shockwaves throughout Alexandria, with residents expressing grief, anger, and concern over the continued loss of women's lives through violent crimes. Community members have called for justice for Mulatela and urged authorities to ensure that those responsible are held fully accountable. This tragic case once again highlights the South Africa's ongoing battle against gender-based violence and femicide. Every year, countless families are left devastated as women disappear or lose their lives under violent circumstances. Civil society organizations continue to call for stronger intervention, faster investigations, and harsher consequences for perpetrators. Police are appealing to anyone who may have information that could assist the investigation to come forward and contact the nearest police station or the Crime Stop hotline. Even the smallest piece of information could prove vital in helping investigators uncover the truth. Our deepest condolences go to the family, friends, and loved ones of Mulatelo Serrata during this incredible difficult time. May they find strength and may justice prevail. This remains a developing story, and further updates will be provided as more official information becomes available. Thank you so much for watching.